So what you're gonna need is a basket, foil, cellophane, ribbon and flowers for decoration, newspaper or butter paper, spray paint, scissor, hot air gun and glue gun. Take your basket and spray paint. Now take butter paper, crush it like so. Fill in the basket. Cover with foil to give it color and hide all the paper underneath. Take ribbon and start pasting on the handle of the basket. Paste flowers on both the corners. I am filling my basket with chocolates. You can add any gift of your choice. If you're using chocolates, paste them like so. Now take cellophane and cover your gift like so. Paste cellophane under the edges of the basket. Cut extra cellophane. Use hot air gun to seal the edges and to get an even top. And we are done!